Summarizing an LLM course video. Let's see what Gemini can do. Okay, let's listen.
The video. The video provides an overview of language models, how they work, and their applications, particularly in building chatbots. Here are the key topics covered. Introduction to language models explains that language models function like advanced autocomplete systems, predicting the next word in a sequence, 145. They can solve problems by framing them as fill-in-the-blank tasks, 247. And the video demonstrates building a basic model using statistics, 354. Building a chatbot shows how to create a chatbot using a language model, emphasizing the use of prompting, like role prompting and formatting, to guide its responses, 727, 926. Evolution of language models discusses factors driving recent advancements, such as increased parameters and context windows, 1259. It also covers zero-shot, one-shot, and few-shot prompting techniques, 1422. Improving language models explores methods like changing prompts, 1833, chain of thought prompting, explaining reasoning step by step, 2035, and efficient fine-tuning techniques like LoRa, 2307. Moving between language models explains that multiple models exist and can be shifted between by adjusting weights, 25 to 10, using techniques like instruction tuning and reinforcement learning with human feedback, 28 to 38. Common considerations highlights potential issues like susceptibility to hacking, biases, hallucinations, and generating incorrect outputs, 31 to 30. AI agents briefly touches on AI agents, focusing on planning, reasoning, and using tools, referencing papers like React, 36 to 21, and Toolformer, 39 to 40, 35 to 22.
Alright, can you tell me briefly about React and Toolformer? Okay, let's see what it has to say about React and Toolformer.
Okay, I can tell you about React and Toolformer, which were mentioned in the video summary. It seems Toolformer might have been a typo for Toolformer. Here's a brief description of each. 1. React stands for reasoning and acting tools or APIs, such as searching the web or accessing a database. This allows the model to gather external information to improve its reasoning, handle complex tasks, update its plans dynamically, and provide more trustworthy and interpretable answers by grounding responses in real-time data rather than just its training knowledge. 2. Toolformer. This is a language model specifically trained to learn how and when to use external tools via APIs, like calculators, search engines, Q&A systems, calendars, translation tools. It learns this in a self-supervised way, meaning it teaches itself by identifying when calling a tool would be beneficial for predicting the next part of the text. Toolformer can then decide which tool to call, what information to send to it, and how to integrate the tool's output back into its response, improving performance on tasks requiring calculations, factual lookups, or up-to-date information. In short, React is a general approach or framework for combining reasoning and action, while Toolformer is a specific model trained to effectively use various tools.